30 Basic Action Verbs for English Beginner. Run. I run every morning to stay healthy. Eat breakfast at 7 a.m. every day. Sleep. I sleep for 8 hours every night. Walk. I like to walk in the park in the afternoon. Read. I read a book before bed every night. Write. I write in my journal every morning. Talk. I like to talk to my friends on the phone. Cook. I like to cook dinner for my family. Listen. I listen to music when I'm cleaning the house. Study. I study for my exams every day. Watch. I watch TV in the evening to relax. Drive. I drive to work every morning. Dance. I love to dance at parties. Sing. I like to sing in the shower. Play. I play video games with my friends on the weekends. Travel. I love to travel to new places. Exercise. I exercise at the gym 3 times a week. Swim. I like to swim in the pool on hot days. Clean. I clean my room every weekend. Paint. I like to paint pictures in my free time. Draw. I draw pictures in my sketchbook. Study. I study English to improve my skills. Laugh. I like to laugh at funny jokes. Cry. I cry when I watch sad movies. Hoogie. Like to hug my family and friends. Kissy kiss my family before bed every night. Shop I like to shop for new clothes. Bike I like to bike in the park on weekends. Ski I like to ski in the winter. Fly I fly to visit my family in another state.